6 of 14.
Hi everyone, it's me again, and today I'm gonna be testing a hack. And apparently
Tab,
you
tech,
can
editing.
repair iron
I,
golem
R, O,
with
N. Ironing them. 54 of 50. Close. Player view.
So
6
we're
of
gonna be
14.
testing this out today. As you can see over here, I have this iron golem.
Glass.
Try to trap them up with these. I'm gonna trap them up with these so that they don't escape. And first step, you trap them here. They're too heavy that you can't even punch them in. So here, and
Ironing them.
as you can see, if you hold this iron ingot, then it'll show up as repair. Click that, and you see it'll take away some of those ugly vines. And now you have a new beautiful iron golem. So this hack does work. It's not a hack, but you can use this. It is really, really useful because if you never knew it, don't have those lines, and then you click repair, it repairs them. They get back to full health. Thank you everyone for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Thank you and bye bye.